Watermelon. It's more than just a summertime favorite. This luscious, refreshing fruit has a lot to offer, not just for your taste buds, but for your overall well-being. Welcome to our journey through the world of watermelon and discover the incredible health benefits it provides. Today we're going to delve into the world of watermelons and explore how this delicious fruit, when eaten regularly, can be a true game changer for your health. So, let's dive right in. You've probably enjoyed the sweet, juicy goodness of watermelon on a hot summer's day, but did you know that this fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it's transformed into liquid gold, watermelon juice? Watermelon is not just a hydrating treat, it's packed with essential nutrients that can work wonders for your body. Let's talk about some of the incredible health benefits of watermelon and its juice. First and foremost, watermelon is a hydration hero. With its high water content, it's the perfect choice to keep you hydrated on scorching days. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health. Watermelon is also a rich source of vitamins. It's loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps in collagen production for healthy skin. And let's not forget vitamin A, essential for good vision and a strong immune system. But that's not all. Watermelon is a mineral powerhouse, offering potassium for heart health and magnesium for muscle function. It even contains a small amount of iron, which can help prevent anemia. One of the standout features of watermelon is its antioxidant properties. The fruit is a fantastic source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases and protect your body from harmful free radicals. Watermelon also contains anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help alleviate muscle soreness and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. And when you transform watermelon into juice, you're not just sipping a delightful beverage, you're flooding your body with these incredible nutrients, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. So, why not make watermelon juice a regular part of your diet? In conclusion, watermelon is more than a delicious treat. It's a treasure trove of health benefits. So, the next time you indulge in a slice of this mouth-watering fruit, remember that you're also nurturing your body with essential nutrients. Stay tuned for more exciting watermelon facts and recipes in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and enjoy your watermelon. Thanks for watching.